Wow, look at this. Hi everyone, and welcome to a new video in my channel. This is Rami, and welcome to Rami DIY. Today I'm going to test out this product which I bought a few months ago. Never get a chance to try it out, and it is the perfect time to try it out on my new vehicle. I wanted to protect the paint before it gets exposed to the weather elements and stuff. So what we have today is the Meguiar hybrid ceramic wax. It's a liquid wax. This is not like a regular wax. It contains an SiO2 ceramic technology. So it's not just to give a shine to the paint. It acts as a sealant, and it should last between 6 months to a year, hopefully, compared to regular car wax, which only lasts for a couple of weeks or a month, perhaps. So let's get going. Basically, to apply this, it's very easy process. You don't need a machine to apply it. You only need an applicator pad, a soft one, which is being used for applying normal wax or polish. You spread a thin layer across the surface and allow it to cure for between 3 and 5 minutes as per the instructions, and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. So let's get going. First, you need to give the good shake. And do circular motions. So. And make sure to do cross sections so you don't miss any spots. Now for this area. It's a little bit windy today, so I'm just want to make sure my towel is free from any dust, and just rub it off. It comes off very easily because it doesn't create a thick layer like regular wax. It doesn't haze. Pressure comes off very easy. This is before applying the hybrid ceramic wax. As you can see, the water is stuck to the surface. There's no beading or shearing. Okay, now for the moment of truth. After applying the Meguiar hybrid ceramic wax all over the car, let's test the water beading. I'm not gonna try to splash water all over the car. I'm just gonna try the bonnet. Let's see. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to check out the product, the link in the description. Thanks for watching.